Ideology of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan here want to discuss. Since we know that right from the start itself, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was loyal towards the completely Britishers. Then during the revolt of 1857, he was loyal towards the Britishers also. And for his loyalty, he was given the title of knighthood by the Britishers. And he continued to advise all the Muslim community that we should be loyal towards the Britishers so that in coming days they will surely repay for our loyalty. And although he did not find the separate organization against the Congress, but still he was not the part of Congress right from the start itself since 1885. Since 1885. Then after that in 1905, partition of Bengal was occupied by the Lord Curzons announced by him. This partition of Bengal was opposed by the 90% Muslims and Hindu at the time. But there was a certain sections of Muslims who supported the partition of Bengal at the time. And the reason behind that support, because at that time Lord Curzon poisoned into the mind of certain sections of Muslim that if you support the partition of Bengal, then I will create a university of Dhaka, which will lead to upliftment of only Muslim sections. And even I will create Chittagaon port. So finally in 1906, All India Muslim League was formed by Nawab Salimullah Khan and Aga Khan. And initially they maintained the loyalty towards the Britishers. But in 1911 there was annulment of partition of Bengal. When the partition of Bengal was cancelled, pata nahi ho, when Muslim sections were loyal towards the Britishers, then they shocked. And again after 3 years during the First World War, they again annoyed with the policy of Britishers, because Britain defeated Turkey completely in the World War First, and started imposing all hard terms and conditions on the public or on the government of Turkey. Even at that time, position of Caliph was replaced by the Britishers, and many dargah and mosques were destroyed by them. This deed of Britishers hated the sentiment of Muslim sections in all over the world, and specifically the Muslim in India. There was a section of Muslim League which was called as a Young Party. Then Young Party believed that what did we get by maintaining the loyalty towards the Britishers for so many years. Now they decided to work with Indian National Congress. Then Muslim League also decided to work with Indian National Congress, because the reason behind that was it will project Hindu-Muslim unity so that Britishers won't play the game divide and rule in India. But before Congress started working with Muslim League, finally there was a pact being signed which is referred as Lucknow Pact Act 1960. I want to discuss about the clause of Lucknow Pact. At that time, Muslim and Congress both jointly demand the self-government in India from the alien rule Britishers, because one of the major reasons was failure of the revolt 1857 was everyone was fighting for their own cause. Even nobody was fighting for the common cause. But in the Lucknow Pact, they demanded the common cause, that is self-government or independent. Here Muslims demanded that it was signed in pact that Muslims should be given 1/3 representation in the central government. Here I will give you very small example.